snowmobiles, he slides on his butt after he goes over the edge, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
That's called the edge of the volcano. And look, there's the volcano bottom. And Dave's way up there. Don't jump,
He's gonna go off the
Dave.
edge.
It's okay. Don't do it. He's off. Ah. And there's. Hi, Dave. Hi, Leslie. Good day out with the Wades.
Let's go.